The big blue octopus is known for its unusually high intelligence. Many consider these unique and strange creatures to be aliens on Earth. These animals have a unique way of evolving through editing their own DNA. The octopus has 8 arms, and each one of their arms has its own mini brain, making them very quick. The ocean is home to so many unique species, with less than a third ever seen by humans.